Starting with the glorious and great name of Allah, who is the most merciful and omnipresent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope you all are safe and sound and under the special bless of Allah. Dear students, let us do the on-book exercises of unit number 10. Please open up page 99 of your book. Let us do the exercise. Technology in Everyday Life, Unit number 10, Technology in Everyday Life, page 99, question 2 under the topic Comprehension. Choose the correct answer for the following. The first one, the invention and use of Internet have reduced the world into a global village. Global village refers to the world as a single community linked by transportation, telecommunication, medicine, agriculture. So, the correct option is telecommunication. Then, part 2. Communications are made a lot easier by transportation, pigeons, mobile phones, electricity. So the correct one option is C, mobile phones. Then part 3. Another importance of technology in our daily lives is that it has eliminated the bulkiness associated with paperwork. Bulkiness associated with paperwork means massive paperwork that is difficult to be written, understand, moved from one place to another, be read. So the correct option is A, be written. Clear? Now come towards the fourth one part. Time is money. So we must have fast and efficient means of transport. Time is money means time is easily available. We should not hurry to do things. Time is valuable. It's better to utilize it properly. Time is cheap. We should waste it. Time is difficult to be found. It is costly. So the correct option is B. Time is valuable. It is better to utilize it properly. Now come towards the fifth one part mentioned on page 100 of your book. Let us move to page 100 of your book. Part 5 is large amount of data usually involved in research can be easily accessed through internet, libraries, telephone, people. So the correct option is internet. Now see question number 3. Use the following words in sentences of your own. These are really very simple words. This is your homework. Please note it down with yourself. This is your homework. You have to use these words in sentences of your own. Technology, agriculture, zaraat, transportation, Naqlo Hamal, fertile, zarkhez, and invention, Ijad. Clear? Now come towards topic vocabulary mentioned on page 100. See question C. From the text, look up the phrases meaning the same as genetic modification. So, for it you will write engineered or engineering. Clear? Engineering. For part 2, store water. For it you will write dams. Clear? Then calling. So for that you will write communication. Clear? Let us move towards question D. Consult a thesaurus and find out the antonyms of the following words. Synonym means the words having the same meaning, whereas antonyms means the words having opposite meaning. Clear? So store, for that you will write tailored or custom. Clear? Then desert. For desert you will write reclaim. Then for friend, enemy, foe or stranger. For delay you will write hold up or detainment. Clear? For benefit you will write drawback or disadvantage. Clear? All these are the antonyms of the following words. Now come towards question E. Write an essay on any scientific discovery of 21st century. So this is your homework. Then part F. Develop a mind map and write down the summary of the lesson, Technology in Everyday Life. These two are your homeworks. Clear? And part G, you will write in the neat notebook of English A after doing the written work of unit number 10 in the same notebook. Clear? You will do this one part at the end of the unit in your notebook of English A. Clear? So this is the end of our today's lecture. Take care, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.